What if I told you there is an AI website builder that doesn't just rely on automation, but allows you to be in full control? You decide the design, the layout, and the content while the AI does the heavy lifting. And that's exactly what we are going to explore today. Hey everyone, I'm Ritesh Shagde, and today we are going to explore B12, an AI powered website builder that helps you go from idea to website in just minutes. Now, while most AI powered websites allow you to either change via prompts or via code, this platform actually allows you to change either via prompt or no code interface where you don't have to understand how the code works. You can change it via the interface that they have. And that is always powerful. So let's get started and see how powerful this platform actually is. So to begin, head over to b12.io, and there is some limited time offer that is going on, as we can see, for just $1 per month for 3 months. Okay, now we'll go with the free trial, start for free. And it'll take you to the prompt window where we have to give the prompt, right? And as we can see, this is very, very important. We have to understand that AI can make mistakes, right? So is B12 mentioning the same thing. B12 may make mistakes. Please use with discretion. Now I'm going to give a prompt that our team has provided me for generating the landing page of ABC. Create a modern and professional website for ABCD, a no-code and AI automation community that helps people learn how to build apps, automate workflows, and explore AI tools without coding. Right? Some more details of what the platform is all about. Okay, so we can enhance the prompt from here, right? Or we can directly hit enter. Let's see what it does when we click on enhance prompt. We were unable to enhance your prompt. Please try again. And maybe this is coming in because we have already given a detailed prompt. If we had given very little instruction, maybe it could have enhanced. But because we have already given a detailed prompt, maybe it failed. Let me try one more time and results the same. So let's click on enter and let's see what happens. Ideally, within a minute or two, it should already create our landing page with all the details that we've given. So as soon as we give the prompt and hit enter, it will ask us for our details. Let me just use this one and let's say generate and click on generate, right? So this generate is actually generate the website for the prompt that we gave in the last step. It's a bit confusing, but yeah. Now it will take a minute or two to actually get the website ready. You can see here generating your personalized website. Just a few more seconds while our AI finishes your draft. And you can actually see that this thing is almost ready. Okay, and there you go. It's actually ready. Now you can go ahead and give the prompts further to make any changes that you want. Okay, for example, the color of the button, what is written over here, and so on and so forth. You can actually prompt here and make any changes, or we can actually go ahead and edit it manually from here. Right, you can see all the things that we have here. For example, home. If you click on home, okay, you get all the details of home screen over here. Okay, let's click on this home and you can see unlock no code potential, empower your creativity with automation, right? So this is the button that we have here, view services. Okay, and if you want to change the title or subtitle, you could directly go over here and do it. Instead of giving a prompt and using credits, you can directly do this manually. Okay, so likewise, if you go to appearance, then this is the image that we have. Okay, you have a lot of images available over here, right? With the same wordings and stuff like that. You can see which one looks good and select that particular template. Okay, or you would also go ahead and make edits with regards to the images. Okay, so we'll go back, right? And you can click on regenerate. Okay, so you can either change or you can regenerate. So if I want to change this particular script, I can click on regenerate and it will actually regenerate this particular section for me. So you can see here generating home hero, and there you go. So it has actually generated a new screen for this one. Again, you can go and change it if you want, right? And you have the option to change it to light theme, dark theme, okay, and accent, okay, that is with some color of our brand and so on and so forth. You can edit it, position it, metadata if you want to change, you can do that, replace it with some other image and so on and so forth. Okay, overlay color 1, overlay color 2, right? All of this can be changed. If you go to images, and then you also have option to change the alignment, you can change the background, you can check the buttons and links, right? All the option that we have over here is actually available for us to edit from here. Okay, let's come back. Okay, and we can go to other screens like intake form. So when we click on contact, we go to this intake form, okay, and the options are available over here. We can change the form the way we want, so that whenever somebody is going to fill this, they'll be able to select the details that we want them to, right? We can give the options of checkbox or drop down, right? All of this before they can submit the form. Okay, so that's how we can change the form. We also have an option to add the logo. For example, here it says ABCD. Now, if I go to header, then I can choose from the logo. Okay, so I will go to library, upload media, and I'm going to upload the image, maybe this one. This is the logo. Okay, so now since I'm uploading this, you can see that this gets updated automatically, right? Of course, I can use a transparent background so that only logo can be shown and so on so forth. We can also change the band value over here, okay, if we need, and navigation links. What all do you need? Home, about, service, contact. So this is like a no-code platform, right? So it's a mixture of no-code and AI platform. If you want to do it via no-code route, then you can do it, which will not consume too much of credits. But if you don't know what needs to be changed or where it needs to be changed, then you can take the AI route where you can prompt and it'll do the changes for you, right? So let's go back, and as we can see, we have style here. Okay, we can choose the theme that we need. We can choose the logo, the color schemes, right? Fonts. Right now we are using Poppins over here. If you want to change that, you can do that. Buttons, primary is in blue and secondary is white with black border. If you want to change the style of this, you can do that, right? This is the custom button. Okay, now this is the primary one, this is the secondary. If you want to choose if you want to change it, you can do that, right? Default, as you can see, is this one, navigation button. Okay, form button is this one. So if you actually go to forms, right, you can see that we are using this particular button. Okay, so all of this can be changed directly from this editor over here. Okay, now let's go back, and if you go to the dashboard, okay, then we have a lot of options over here, right? One is confirm business details, where we can complete it from here. Select design and logo. Okay, we can complete it from here, and then confirm your services. Okay, if you want to confirm all the services that we provide, we can do that from here. So if you want to make any changes with regards to services or any of this, just click on complete and it will take you to that particular section. And on the left, you have the option to add new services or remove the existing services and so on and so forth, right? I can also click on I don't offer services, skip this step. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard, and you can see here edit website is already done. It knows that we have done it, so it is already ticked it. Publish website. If we feel that everything is good enough now, then we can publish it, add a custom domain from here. Set up client engagement tools. So let's go here, and you can see here set up online scheduling. So if you click on this one, it'll take you to a section where you can actually mention what time to what time and what days of the week are you available. Okay. And once you have set those things up, click on continue, and it'll allow you to connect your Google Calendar. Okay, I'll click on connect, and you can see that you can actually connect your Google Calendar. Let's wait for it to load. So this is an all-in-one platform where you are not just building the landing page, but you can actually connect your calendar for your prospects to schedule a call with you, right? And it also has invoicing and a lot other features. So you can connect your iCloud calendar or Google Calendar, Office 365, Exchange, and Outlook, and so on and so forth. I'll click with Google. Okay, I'll click on this one. It's a link Google account. Okay, and let's go with this one. Right, and click on continue. And click on continue. Of course, we should have selected this, but okay. Agree to this one. Sorry, but we did not receive access to your calendar. That's because I didn't click on that particular. I'll go with this one and continue, and click on continue. Okay, and you should see that it is connected, right? So you can see here, setup online scheduling is also done. Learn about other tools. Okay, we have contact manager, we have email marketing tool, we have contracts and e-signatures. Okay, invite team members. Most of these are paid features. So if you go to payments and invoicing, right, we can create invoices from here, and clients can actually pay us through this. We also have invoice templates available here. Okay, we could choose any of these things. If we go back, when we have options of scheduling, which we just did, we have intake forms. Okay, we can create intake forms from here. As you can see, upgrade to an all-in-one solution. Okay, we need to upgrade to be able to do that. We have e-signatures, which means we can send contracts and collect e-signatures with automated reminders and so on and so forth. All of that built in the same tool, right? We have contact manager, collect all of your clients' details and interactions in one place. Now, think about it. You don't need multiple tools to be doing all of this. Okay, it's all in one platform. Again, we have email marketing. We have to update to be able to use any of this. We have team. Okay, one unified platform for your entire team, right? So we can invite our team members and so on and so forth. Domain, again, if we have to link our domain, then it is it's option available only with paid feature. So we have some partner authors as well, which is basically platforms which are partnered with B12. Okay, like Airtable is giving $1,000 in free credits. HubSpot for startups unlock 90% off, Zoom 20% off, and so on and so forth. You can just go through this and see which one. Bubble is also giving you 500 in Bubble credits, right? So yeah, you can check it out and see if that makes sense. And I would assume that you would be able to get any of this only if you are a paid member on B12. Okay. Of course, you have support and so on and so forth. Now, what is a bit off, at least from my point of view, is the plans, right? You have 0 per month, the free plan, where you do not have domain, which is obvious, right? Mobile responsive website is available. 5 daily AI messages, max 30 per month. Okay, easy to use website editor. All of this is available. But if you want to pay, if you want to take their paid subscription, it directly jumps on to $49 per month. Okay, to begin with, they have added this $1 per month for the first 3 months. So maybe that is a good starting point. And after that, you will have to pay $49 per month, which seems to be a bit steep, but they have 100 AI messages per month with the paid plan. And because it's $1 per month, it's worth it. You can check it out. If it works out best, then probably you can continue, because it is offering you calendar booking, invoicing, team management, and all of that within the same platform. So I believe it's a good tool with all of that combined together. And if you go to build annually, then this $49 will become $42. Not really a huge saving, I would say, but yeah, that's B12 for you. One last thing. Now in the free plan, you can have only one website. Okay, if you already have one website, then you will not be able to go with the second website. Let's go to B12 and let's go to dashboard. In the free plan, you can create only one website. But if you don't want to start from scratch all over, then you can also go to b12.io. And if you go to AI website prompt, here are available websites that you can remix, right? So you can go through all the available templates. Okay, for example, this is portfolio, this is nutritionist, this is classic design, multi-page, and so on and so forth. You can go through any of this. They have a lot of those templates. And once you feel that there is something that matches your requirements, just click on remix and it will actually create a remix of this particular website. Create a copy of this and you can make changes from there. Yeah, so you can see here, select a website, select an existing website or create a new website. Click on create new website and that should get you started with the template that you selected. Now, as you saw, they have a lot of options available, right? And free version is pretty good enough to begin with. If you want some of the paid features, then you could probably pay them $1 per month for the 3 months and see if you are able to build some decent website with all the features that you're looking for. Design wise, I would say it was not great, right? Because we have seen Lovable and multiple other platforms which comes up with great designs. In this case, it was not amazing, but it was decent enough, right? But with the additional capabilities that it has to schedule calendars and email marketing agent, team management, invoicing, and so on and so forth, I think this would be the best bet if you are starting out on your own. So do give it a try and let us know in the comments below how was your experience and if you are going to use this platform for your use case. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.